What is up, YouTube? And today, as you can see, man, this is a crazy shoe box and shoe unboxing overall. So I'm not gonna talk too much, at the beginning of the video. I'm just gonna ask you to please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Hit that like button since you're already here. It takes 2 seconds, man. It really does help me out. I appreciate all of you and your recent support on my channel, and I really wish you would stay for the whole journey. So I appreciate you, and hit that subscribe button, please. Like I said, helps me out. So let's get right to this review. All right. So by the box, you can tell it's obviously something crazy collab. It is a Vapormax collab. This is the Air Vapormax Evo Nrg, and here is the tag, in my size 11.5. Now, this is either a shoe you will love at first sight or a shoe you will hate at first sight. I will be completely honest with you. I myself am a Vapormax fan as well. I mean, I'm a huge Air Max head. I've actually got some on right now, Air Max 90s as we speak, so that's just my everyday kicks, you feel me? With that being said, I wanted to break down this shoe in the most organized way. So I'm going to show you what shoe this shoe is made of, and it's a full collaboration come as one, a mismatch or mashup as it's called on StockX. So I'm going to show you all the shoe, break down the detail and the history of the shoe, and like I said, it's going to be organized and quick. Let's get to it. Starting off, you got that nice box featuring all of the old Air Max, and shout out to Air Max. That's really what it's saying. This right here, old orange Nike box right here. If you have an old orange box like that, you are a real OG. I will give it to you. You're a real OG. I have a pair of Air Max 95s that crumbled. Still got the box, and it came in that box, man. That box just brings back a lot of memories, so that's all I gotta say on that one. Shout out to my mom too. She's got a bunch of those boxes still in her closet. I got it from my mom, I guess, right? So then you got this nice white Nike box mashed with a Air Max 95 gray OG and neon box right here. Typical Nike box. It does have a shine added to it for the whole upper of the box, of course. That Vapormax box right here, that swoosh that would have been going across. Then you have a Nike Air from the Supreme collaboration on the Air Max 98s. It's all of them, man, I'm telling you. This came from that old Air Max box right here and the recent Air Max 1 and Huarache collaboration that they did in the box set. It came with socks, a book, all of that. So crazy mashup all together right here. The box might be, one of the sickest Nike boxes I've ever seen in my life. It features all the way to the bottom of the outer of the box. Has that blue with a black label, white ring right here, and then on the back you have that Nike Air red box. It's kind of like a What the Vapormax, essentially. Then you unbox it. It says Air Max or Air Vapormax Evo right here, and then on this side it says the next evolution. So very cool additions overall. This shoe comes with regular paper on the inside, and it does come with an Evolution of Iconic Air Max book. On the back of the booklet, it has all of the Air Maxes featured in this Vapormax collaboration. This is an Air Max Day 2021 collaboration, and I like how they put it on a Vapormax silhouette. And they feature some classics and some bangers at that. So here you go. Quick glance one more time. Now on the interior, you're gonna have all like the sketches of this shoe, where the shoe started from, where it goes to now. And I'm telling you, man, they put some bangers in this shoe. Crater Air Max 90s from 2014, insane pair. That 3M's crazy. I still need them in my size. A lot of Atmos Air Max 1 collaborations put into this shoe for, very good reason. Again, Air Max 1 Atmos, then the Supreme Air Max 98. I have those. I'll put a picture right here. But man, crazy pair. Like I said, I have a few of these shoes, such as the Sean Wotherspoons. Put a picture right here. But you can follow me on Instagram right here at Ethan_Gald with 2 E's, and you can see, some of my collection there as well. And fit pics, shoes on feet we wear at kicks. So you know what I mean, man. There we go. That we got to the end of the book. to be continued. It's time. It is time. I'm gonna leave that right there for y'all to see. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is the Vapormax Mashup collaboration for 2021 Air Max Day. So, very, very unique right off the bat. Like I said, you're either gonna love it or you probably will hate it. Either way, this is a shoe you want to learn about and, you know, see the history. For me, a real shoe head and lover, I appreciate it because of all the details featured inside and out of this shoe. I'm gonna start with the upper, and because obviously it's a Vapormax bottom for the outsole, but right here you got a lot of support. For example, on this side you got the TN Plus right here. On the interior of this shoe you got some pony hair from the Atmos collaborations. You got that Supreme Air Max 98 snakeskin on here. A Sean Wotherspoon strip of corduroy right there, yellow. Then you're gonna have, oh my goodness, there's so many details. Air Max 180, you're gonna have the craters on this side. You see the bottom right there, the craters. Then you're gonna have snakeskin featured throughout, like I said, for the Atmos collaborations as well. You're gonna have the Atmos camo right here. Man, like these are insane. I wish you all could hold these in your hand. It might, you know, change your mind a little bit on the shoe. On this side, you're gonna have the Warhawk Air Max 90s. I love that Air Max 90, man. It's super sweet. I love how they added the touch on it. And you got that star right here. That would be on the plane. And then the teeth. That's iconic right there. But this Crater Air Max 90 print right here, that is an iconic shoe. If you don't know, now you know. I like how it's got a red strip right here, a corduroy. It's got a nice tongue right here. And then it does have that QR code tag, but I'm gonna bring it to you guys, let you see it all around. You know, there's so many details on here, I might even be missing some myself. So I wanna let you guys get a nice close look. Here you go. All right, y'all, so I hope that, you know, that look was a nice and detailed up close look for you all. Very sick shoe in person, I've really got to admit. And the box is gonna be a collectible for many years to come. Shout out to all my shoe collectors and especially my Air Max heads. You know how we do it. That box, it does mean something because it features a mashup of all the different boxes from years back to present. And for me, as a collector, as you can see from my collection, I appreciate the little things with each shoe. Quick aftermarket valuation of these, they are going for about $240, $250. Retail is $200, so there's not much profit to be made at the moment. Now, if you are a reseller and that's what you're wanting these for, it may not be your best investment yet, but like I said, it's an Air Max Day 2021, and it features a lot of crazy Air Maxes collaborations. So I do see potential in the shoe. Is it something that I would invest in personally? Probably not. You know, I just got it for the foot. If you are a Vapormax fan, Air Max fan, I know they may look a tad bit bulky, but they've definitely grown on me as far as the bulkiness of the shoe. Like if you think about it, Balenciagas and all that stuff is still in trend. Filas for women, you know, things like that are still in trend. So a bulky shoe like this, it's not really gonna do too much different. They do fit pretty true to size. That's as far as a market evaluation that I would go into for, you know, the aftermarket prices are coming from StockX, a major shoe reselling platform. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope this review provided you some nice insight, some very, you know, detailed up close looks at this beautiful shoe for Air Max Day. And again, this is the Vapormax Evo Nrg Mashup 2021 Air Max Day collaboration featuring a lot of Air Maxes. This is a very cool shoe. Go grab it today before they sell out. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all know what to do, man. Be easy.